Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car waxes for scratch protection that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. This product is designed for those who want a straightforward solution to handle light scratches and swirl marks. It comes with a specially formulated compound and a buffer pad, making the application process simple and user-friendly. The formula is engineered to restore your car's paint to its original brilliance while removing years of wear and tear. Plus, it works on all types of paint, whether it's clear coat, single stage, or multi-stage. In terms of design and build quality, the included buffer pad adds value to this kit, enabling you to achieve professional-like results at home. The product is free from unnecessary dyes or scents, which is a plus for those sensitive to synthetic chemicals. However, the absence of a price listing makes it harder to evaluate its cost-effectiveness compared to others on the list. The Carfidant Scratch Repair excels in versatility and ease of use. If your car has minor imperfections, this product is a great choice, especially for DIY enthusiasts. That said, it's not the most durable option for long-term protection, so you may need to reapply it regularly. Overall, it's a solid pick for quick fixes, but lacks the advanced features of higher-ranking products. Coming in at number 4 is the New Finish Once-a-Year Polish and Sealant. This budget-friendly product is perfect for those looking to get the most bang for their buck. Its standout feature is the 3-in-1 ceramic technology, which repairs minor scratches, seals the paint, and repels water for an entire year. One of the most convenient aspects is that it requires no heavy buffing or rubbing, and you can even apply it in direct sunlight, a rare feature in this category. The design is simple yet effective. The liquid formula is easy to apply, and the 16-ounce bottle gives you plenty of product for multiple applications. While it doesn't offer the same high-gloss finish as some premium options, it does a great job at renewing shine and leaving a durable protective layer. However, its ceramic barrier may not hold up as well in extreme conditions compared to more expensive waxes. In terms of value, you really can't beat New Finish in this price range. It's ideal for casual users who want a low-maintenance solution to keep their car looking good throughout the year. The downside? It doesn't provide the deep, showroom-like shine you'd get with more premium products. But for under $12, it's hard to complain about what this product delivers. At number 3, we have the Turtle Wax 53412 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax. This product is a one-step solution that polishes, corrects, seals, and protects your car's paint. It's infused with synthetic wax polymers and ceramic technology, which means it not only removes light scratches and swirl marks, but also enhances the depth of color and leaves a mirror-like shine. The water-repellent properties are exceptional, keeping your car cleaner for longer between washes. The design and formula are highly versatile, allowing you to apply it by hand or with a machine polisher. The ease of application and the tropical fruity scent make it a pleasant product to work with. However, it's not as effective for deep scratches, so it's best suited for maintaining the appearance of relatively new or well-maintained vehicles. For just under $13, this Turtle Wax option offers incredible value. It's perfect for car enthusiasts who want a balance between affordability and performance. On the downside, it does require some effort to buff off the dried haze for the best results. Overall, it's a fantastic mid-range product that delivers a professional finish at a budget-friendly price. In second place is the Turtle Wax 53448 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and Wax. Specifically formulated for black and dark-colored vehicles, this product is a game-changer for car owners who want to maintain a deep, glossy black finish. It's infused with black pigmented carnauba wax, which fills in swirl marks and light scratches, while enhancing the depth of color. The ceramic acrylic formula provides a durable, water-repellent barrier that protects against road contaminants. The design and ease of use are standout features here. You can apply it by hand or with a machine polisher, and the tropical fruity scent makes the process more enjoyable. However, it does require a 24-hour curing period for optimal durability, so patience is key if you want the best results. This product is ideal for owners of black cars who want a high-gloss finish while minimizing maintenance. The main downside is that it's not as versatile for lighter-colored vehicles, so it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. For under $20, though, it's one of the best specialized products you can get for black car care. Finally, taking the top spot is the Turtle Wax 53737 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Graphene Paste Wax. This premium product combines ceramic and graphene technologies to deliver unmatched protection and shine. It creates a slick, glossy finish while forming a durable barrier against contaminants, water, and environmental damage. The advanced formula is low dusting and easy to apply, leaving no powdery residue behind. The build quality is top-notch, with a thick paste consistency that ensures precise application. It's versatile enough to be used on various surfaces, including wheels, headlights, and chrome. While the $29.99 price tag makes it the most expensive option on this list, the long-lasting protection and extreme gloss justify the investment. This product is perfect for car enthusiasts who want the best of the best. It's ideal for those looking for a premium, multi-use wax that delivers professional results. The only downside is the steeper price, but if you're serious about maintaining your vehicle's appearance, this is the one to beat. It's hands down the best car wax for scratch protection in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.